Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn hours saved every day. In a short video, we'll learn how to calculate age in years, months and days in Excel. If you have the date of birth of a person or a start date of a project, you can easily calculate the number of years or months and days as at today using Excel. Now to do this, you need a start date and an end date. So in this context, my end date is the day I'm creating this video, and you can easily generate that using this function equal to today, TODAY, open and close bracket. What this function gives you is today's date. It's tied to your computer's date. So I'm going to just drag this down, and to format it in this way, I will just press Ctrl Shift and 3 or hash on top of your keyboard. That combination formats the date in this format. Now, to calculate the number of years between these two dates, I'm going to use Excel's dated function, DATEDIF. It's not really your regular Excel function because it doesn't give you a syntax guide when you input, but you can still proceed. It's one of those compatibility functions. So it needs a start date, then you bring your comma, and then you select your end date, and then you bring your comma. In the third space, you put in a double quote and put in Y to give you the number of years. So start date, end dates, Y in double quotes will give me the number of years. I'll just copy this down. To give me months, all I need to do is change the Y to M for months, and then days, I change this to D for days. So it's a very quick way to calculate age in years, months and days. You can practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list so you get videos on Mondays and Fridays. You can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. All our YouTube old videos are here. Please subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching.